Commodore Giovanni Galan Bergantin, Philippine Coast Guard, the first General and Pride of PILI CAMARINES Sur, is the 50th District Commander of Headquarters Coast Guard District Southwestern Mindanao. During his tenure at the said command, he attended different activities that concerns in the strengthening of maritime security efforts and intensifying law enforcement operations with the support of various government agencies. He is also responsible in the construction of the Philippine Coast Guard facilities in the region. Commodore Bergantin, Philippine Coast Guard, also spearheaded the apprehension of the illegalities in the region. Moreover, he exemplifies his excellent leadership not just in work, but also in the activities that boost the morale, camaraderie, and welfare of his personnel. With his passion and commitment to his service and his country, he urged and enjoined all personnel of this command to reinvigorate their strong convictions, sense of professionalism, and their highest degree of efficiency in the performance of their duties. At this unfortunate time of pandemic, he courageously lent a helping hand to his countrymen by leading the personnel of this command in series of essential activities that caters the needs of the people and safeguarding the region. Commodore Giovanni Galan Bergantin, Philippine Coast Guard Sur, your Coast Guard District Southwestern Mindanao family admire and believe in all your visions toward service for the people and our country. Our snappiest salute, sir.